After I put the tree in the stand, and before I remove the net that the tree has, I set the tree topper on the top, obviously. And then I put the all the ribbons that I want to attach in the tree, but I do not. I keep in wrapped, not wrap. I keep in as a roll, and I hold all the ribbons with a pin. So and that's where I'm gonna be sure they're not gonna lose the shape after I put all the ornaments. Can you see the tip is already there? And I'm gonna keep it until I finish the totally work of the tree. And after that, so after I stop the tree, after I put the star, and after I put the ribbon, I start to removing the net. Then I put all the lights. That is very important. I set all the lights on, so in that way I'm gonna do the work only one time, because I'm gonna be sure what part of the tree has more light or has less light. The next step that I take is put the big ornament. First, the bows. I do all the bows by myself, and then I keep adding the bow with more details and different sizes. But basically, it's the same process that I do with the floral arrangement. I start working with the big pieces first, and gradually I start putting the other sizes of the ornaments or the sizes of the flowers. As can you see here, these are the big ornament that I have in this tree, and I use some flowers because I love, and I have poinsettias, and I have those who are hibiscus, and there is another one. Well, I can't see it. Well, it doesn't matter. And after I put the flowers, I start with the big balls ornaments. In this case, this tree, it has to be a red, gold, and green. But the green that I picked it up was the lime green, because if I use the same green of the Christmas tree, it's not gonna, it's not gonna show up. It's not gonna represent any ad. So I use the lime green. Actually, the customer love it. That's how the tree look with the big ornaments, and then I start putting the small one, a small ball, the peaks, some accent. Finally, that's the best. That's the best part actually. When I start to put in the peak, when you see one part of the tree and you can see different elements with different sizes of the elements, and that means that the tree mostly done. And can you see the ribbon? I already unwrap. It's not unwrap. I already removed the pin, and that way I can see the wire is still in good condition, so it's look like a fall of ribbon from the top to the bottom of the tree. I could love to have a picture of the tree during the night, but I always do the tree the daytime. Daytime. So that's the best that I can show you today. I love it. Can you see the star? Oh my God, I love it. Well, I hope you can love it as well. Let me know if you have a question. Thank you.